Hey, I'm Nick Evans, co-founder and CEO of Avocado, and today we're going to look again at the AI assistant and see how it can help you run your restaurant. So we want design refresh in our restaurant. We've got our fake coffee shop here, Brewed Awakenings. We want to design a new logo. The AI in Avocado, it knows a little bit about your restaurant, actually a lot, right? It knows your menu, it knows how you like to talk about your items and your descriptions. So it can kind of pick up on your vibe that you like to put out, which means it can be great for generating logo, generating other marketing assets for your restaurant. So let's have it generate a logo for us. Generate a new logo for us. Look at our menu, kind of try and get a vibe of how we like to look and talk about things. So now it's going to use the image generation in the AI. It looks like not only did it look at the menu, the descriptions, but it also looked at the images that are currently on our menu. All right, there we go. This is pretty cute. You can see it added the baguette in the background. It saw that we have food on our menu as well, but the coffee front and center. So now we could download this, add it to our logo in our restaurant for our online ordering for others to see, and just use it anywhere. So yeah, thanks for watching. Follow along. We're going to be going through a lot more tips on how to use AI in the product. Thanks.